In this video, I'm going to explain how to navigate YouTube TV's location restrictions so you can access content while traveling or living outside the United States. Let's get started. YouTube TV is currently only available in the US, as its content is subject to regional licensing agreements. However, there are legitimate ways to access the service if you're temporarily outside the country or encountering location-based issues. The most common solution is using a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN masks your IP address and makes it appear as though you're accessing the internet from within the US. To use a VPN, first subscribe to a reputable provider with servers located in the United States. Install the VPN app on your device, connect to a US-based server, and then open the YouTube TV app or website. Keep in mind that some streaming services actively block VPNs, so ensure your provider supports bypassing these restrictions. Another option is using a DNS service like Smart DNS. Unlike a VPN, Smart DNS doesn't encrypt your connection, but reroutes your traffic to make it appear as though you're in the US. This method is often faster for streaming, but may require setup on your router or device. If you're traveling temporarily, you can also enable airplane mode on your phone and use mobile data to avoid triggering location checks. Additionally, ensure your billing address and payment method are US-based, as YouTube TV periodically verifies account details. It's important to note that circumventing location restrictions may violate YouTube TV's terms of service, so proceed with caution. If you're living abroad long-term, consider alternative streaming services that operate in your region. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more tips on navigating streaming services. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you access YouTube TV despite location restrictions. Don't forget to share this video with others who might find it helpful.